Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a Holman shelf door kit for a 32-inch wide shelf, so let's get into it. All right, this is a shelving accessory for a Holman shelf. It's a door kit that you would put on a 32-inch wide Holman shelf, something that you would put in like ProMaster City behind me, or really any van. The only requirement here is that you put it on a 32-inch shelf. Let me just get these straps off, and here we go. Now, one thing I should mention is if you get one of these and it says Cargo Master on it, Holman and Cargo Master are the same company. They just recently changed their name from Cargo Master to Holman, so you may still see some Cargo Master branding out there from product pulled out of our warehouse. But this one does have the warranty with it. You get a 3-year warranty if you buy from an authorized reseller of Holman products, so just make sure that you are purchasing from one of those resellers if you're going to buy this, like Upfit Supply. On top, we've got our little installation instructions here, a parts list. What I like about this is they tell you all the items that should be in the box, and they stamp it for quality control to make sure that everything is there. So we'll just double check that. We've got our hardware kit here. Got some foam for protection, and then there should be 2 pieces in here. We're going to have, got a key here tucked in behind the handle. We've got the door, then we have a little bracket that comes with it. You can see here there's a pull handle. Looks like this comes locked, so I should be able to take one of these keys. Put it into this lock, unlock it, and then I can twist this. So this is a lockable shelf. So this is gonna be sitting like this on the shelf. You're gonna mount 2 shelves kind of to make a compartment, if you will, on the shelving unit. And then this will allow you to lock and unlock and store things to keep it from coming off the shelf, as well as just adding an extra layer of security. Comes with 2 keys, so you can kind of keep one back in the shop, in your toolbox or whatever. Keep another one with you so that if you lose it, you got a spare. Comes with all the hardware that you need to install it, as well as the installation instructions in the box. So a pretty simple install or unboxing here. Hardware, a bracket, and the shelf door. Now they do make this for their other width shelving. This is for the 32-inch shelf. They also make it for their other widths as well. So just make sure that you're buying the right shelf door for the shelving unit that you have. This is powder coated in a gray finish. It's gonna match all of the Holman shelving products and the bulkheads that they make. So it's gonna match, be a good color match there, and give you everything that you need to secure stuff within the shelf. So pretty simple unboxing here. If you are looking for this product or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.